Meaning of dissociate.
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 Dissociate. Dissociate means to disconnect or separate something from its association with something else. When something is dissociated, it is isolated or detached from its usual surroundings or context. The result of dissociation may vary depending on the situation. For example, when a person dissociates from their emotions, they may feel numb and disconnected from themselves. In a chemical reaction, dissociation refers to the separation of molecules into smaller units. Overall, dissociation brings about a sense of disconnection or separation.